Why do we hiccup? Hiccups happen when your diaphragm suddenly contracts. This causes air to rush into your lungs, slamming your vocal cords shut and making the hic sound. But why does it happen? Hiccups can be triggered by eating too quickly, drinking carbonated beverages, or even being stressed. Scientists believe hiccups might be a leftover reflex from evolution, possibly helping our ancient ancestors clear their throats or practice breathing in water. Holding your breath or drinking water works because it resets the diaphragm, stopping the spasms. Persistent hiccups lasting over 48 hours could signal a medical issue, so always check with a doctor if they persist.